Imagine launching a business, the brainchild of your creativity and hard work. There are various ways to structure this enterprise, but if you're looking to attract investors, limit your liability, and potentially take your company public, you may want to consider forming a C corporation. Before we go over the benefits of a C Corp, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Now, one of the significant advantages of a C Corp is the protection it offers. The corporation becomes its own legal entity, separate from its founders. This means your personal assets are safeguarded from potential business liabilities or debts. Remember, building a business doesn't mean risking everything. C Corps are also incredibly attractive to investors. According to a study by Small Business Trends, more than 68% of Fortune 500 companies are C corporations. These structures allow for multiple classes of stock, which can be appealing for venture capitalists and private equity firms. So if you're looking to grow, a C Corp can offer you the flexibility to raise capital effectively. Let's talk taxes. Yes, C corporations face the notorious double taxation, being taxed at the corporate and personal level. However, they can also retain earnings up to a limit for future expansion. Plus, they offer deductible business expenses, including salaries and benefits. If you dream of taking your company public one day, a C Corp is the way to go. According to the National Venture Capital Association, over 90% of companies that went public last year were C corporations. This structure aligns with the requirements of many exchanges and provides a straightforward path to an IPO. Remember, a C corporation can offer significant benefits, like protecting your personal assets, attracting investors, reaping tax benefits, and providing a path to going public. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but for those with big ambitions, it's definitely worth considering. If you want to learn more about C Corp, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the benefits of C Corp? Which one is your favorite? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.